Should I start vegan skincare? Why don't we start by using vegan ingredients? Let's find out what vegan ingredients suits your skin. Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here. Really happy to see you guys, Wishtrenders. Today's topic is about vegan cosmetics. When you look at cosmetic products, you have probably seen a mark with a rabbit on it. That mark is a certification of no animal testing and cruelty-free products. However, not all cruelty-free products are vegan. It needs to be free of all animal-derived components for it to be a vegan product. Now, some of you guys might be like, vegan cosmetics, it might seem a little bit complicating and confusing at first, but no worries guys. Let me put it in a very simple way. We go to Starbucks and we get our lattes. We can actually switch our milk to soy milk, right? It's the exactly same thing for vegan cosmetics. You can replace animal-derived components with vegan alternatives. Now, let's take a look at the chart right here. And when you see the chart for the very first time, you might feel a little bit overwhelmed, but no worries. And you might be asking, Onni, do I have to look into every single one of the ingredients? And the answer is no. That's why we do have the certified vegan marks for you, letting us know if a product is vegan or not. Many brands and products from Wishtrend.com qualify for vegan standards. They are under the process of getting the official vegan certification mark, so please stay patient with us. I am not exactly sure what the details are, but I heard that it's really difficult to get the official vegan certification mark, so stay tuned in. Now we're going to be sharing some vegan ingredients for you beginners. We're going to share 5 vegetable ingredients from Korea. You have Mugworth from Kanghwa, and you also have green tea from Posong, and you have rice from Yeoju, and you have figs from Yeongnam, and cucumbers. First ingredient is Mugworth from Kanghwa, and from the Korean traditional medicine book, 동의보감, it is said that Mugworth cures 100 diseases. It is very well known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, and it is amazing for all skin types, including adult acne, sensitive skin, and youthful skin as well. The second ingredient is green tea from Posong, and Posong is really well known for its green tea, and Posong has the perfect, really good geographical condition to grow tea. And as you guys know, green tea has been loved by so many people for skin treatments thanks to its many skin benefits that it has. It is amazing. It's skin soothing, it's anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and it is amazing. It's packed with antioxidants and it helps to reduce puffiness as well. And the third one is rice from Yeoju, and Yeoju is really well known for the rice. So well known that the kings from Joseon dynasty used to eat rice from Yeoju, so you know how tasty that is, you know what I'm saying? You can feel. Starch from rice water contains numerous amounts of minerals and vitamins, so it helps to purify the skin. And also rice water holds in the moisture really well, so it's amazing for skin elasticity. If you have concerns of dull skin and peeling skin, and you're looking for a brightening ingredient, we want to highly recommend that you try rice. And the fourth ingredient is figs from Yeongnam, and not many people might be familiar with figs. However, it has been loved by so many people for a very long time. It has nicknames such as food of life or food for gods. And it helps to calm dead skin cells, it softens your skin, and it contains a lot of natural antioxidants such as polyphenol and vitamin C, which is amazing to visibly reduce wrinkles, freckles, pigmentation, sebum, and acne as well. And the fifth ingredient is cucumbers. And if you're Korean, okay, I know that the first natural ingredient that's gonna pop in your mind when you think about to calm your skin in the summertime, it's gonna be cucumbers. And I'm sure that if you're Korean, you have tried putting on slices of cucumber on your face as well. How is it in your country? In Korea, cucumber is really popular for skin benefits. What about in your country? Please comment below and let us know. Cucumbers help to brighten the skin by controlling melanin, which causes pigmentation. And it is amazing to soothe the skin and to moisturize your skin, and it also helps to relieve irritated skin as well. Using vegan products and cruelty-free products help to protect animals and animal rights as well. Today, we have shared product recommendations with low irritation that can be tried by everyone. We will leave all the product links in the description below, so please do check it out, and they will include the 5 vegetable ingredients that we've mentioned today. Why not try vegan products that are cruelty-free, that are free of animal-derived components, and that only has vegetable ingredients? Right now at Wishtrend.com, they're having a discount for vegan products, so please do check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, Wishtrenders!